When I woke up, I called Domingo Magara and I told him. And when I woke up this morning, in my heart, I felt that I needed to go to church. To thank God for what He's doing for our country. Matthew 6:33 says, to all of us who are Christians, seek ye the kingdom of God first, and all else will be added unto you. I want to encourage us, even in the midst of many things, to remember to thank God for the many blessings He's bestowed upon us as a country. And it is my prayer as a Christian in this nation that God will guide us and the church will pray for our nation so that we can be a united nation and a nation that believes in God, and that all of us can trust God for the future of our nation.